Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my videos.
It just sounded like somebody was like mumbling or something in like a low tone of voice.
From which direction?
Like that way.
Was it this way?
Yeah, from up there, it kind of looked like there was something standing almost like right in here.
Whoa. Do you hear that whispering?
I heard something when you did that.
As soon as I kicked it, right?
Yeah. It's hissing. Something's hissing at us. Something's in here. I don't know what it is, but something's in here.
So what happened?
It just sounded like somebody was like mumbling or something in like a low tone of voice.
From which direction?
Like that way. It was a long way away as if it was.
Alright, just so people at home know, how far is our car from here, or any people really from here? What were you guess?
I mean, there can't be any people around here.
Right?
I mean, it's a long ways from the city, and we walked a while to get up the hill, and I mean, I can't imagine anybody following us in here. Or that they even knew we were here.
You think we're the only fools down here?
Maybe.
Yeah, I'm glad you heard that mumble, man. So, all right, let's head in that direction. See, I told you guys I didn't like this lower level, and Matt already heard a mumble in that direction where we're headed.
Yeah.
By any chance, could you tell if it was male or female?
It sounded male, really deep, like really
It was a deep, like a growl, maybe, or mumble. It was actually like
It sounded
mumble.
like almost like the end of a word that you don't hear the first part of.
Okay.
It's like someone stopped talking, like as, like maybe they heard or something heard.
Okay.
I don't even know, but it was creepy. There's clearly been some sort of fire. Looks like on here.
I wonder if somebody's been camping out here.
Maybe.
There's a lot of people that like freaking sleeping down here or whatever. Or not in this particular place, but you know, underground.
Yeah. I'm hearing stuff.
Hmm?
There's something.
There's something here.
Yeah.
You heard it too, right? Oh shit, there's a big old bat just went across you, dude. I thought it touched your arm. It didn't touch you?
No, I don't think
So
so.
a big old bat just flew right past you. I hope I got it on camera. Alright, so what are you hearing? Because I'm hearing things too, but I want you to see what you're hearing.
Like the last time, just a second ago, it was like almost like a mild whisper, kind of like a really low tone voice, or like just like someone's barely talking, like that. Whoa, something. Swear to God, there was like a beady little set of eyes. Is that a side of it? So that goes off to the left?
Yeah, to the right.
Like that. Whoa, something like that. Whoa, something. Swear to God, there was like a beady little set of eyes. Is that a side of it? So that goes off to the left?
Yeah, to the right.
Like about foot up. I just saw something shiny dart around the corner, and then, like, no joke.
I'm telling you, I don't like this part of the mind. It's the reason I don't like it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so Matt saw what he thought was a set of eyes way down there, rush off to the right. The same damn direction where we saw the face morph with Katie, the hooded figure. So we're actually heading down in that direction. And I'll be honest with you, I think we're gonna probably end up catching something on camera by the end of the night. You know the weird part is though, honestly, if that would have been some kind of animal, it would have made a noise. Cause look at all the noise we're making just by walking here. You know what I mean?
It's just
we're
loose
making
gravel and rock. Like,
yeah, it's
there's no way
loose.
to not, announce that you're coming.
Yeah, we would have heard it. So.
Yeah.
So this is the area where Matt thought he saw something run from here. Was it this way?
Yeah, from up there, it kind of looked like there was something standing almost like right in here. And then it's like the eyes kind of like darted out like around this area and then went back. So I don't know. But, I mean,
So
there's nothing there.
do you know what Tommyknockers are?
Vaguely, not really.
So they are like elf-like type of entities that used to hang out around mining areas, right?
Mm-hmm.
And just like in many folklore legends, they expect gifts from people. If not, they would play tricks on you, or they would scare you, or they would cause mines to collapse while you're down there.
Oh.
Some of them are evil, they can't hurt you, and others are just playful,
Mm-hmm.
So the fact that this mine, we nicknamed the Tommyknocker mine for a reason, and then you witness a set of eyes just down there just a second ago,
Right.
kind of validates, to me anyway, that this place
Yeah, that
has
was
definitely
weird.
something.
Yeah.
And you're hearing whispers,
Yeah.
right? So,
And seemingly, like, I mean, there's nowhere to run. Like, it had to be
No.
something.
this is it. This is it, guys, right here. There's like, it ends right there. If it would have ran in that direction, we would have heard shuffling of feet, because it's all, like Matt said earlier, it's all loose gravel down here.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Whatever's down here is dragging us deeper into the mine, so we're gonna head that way. If you guys see anything, please let us know in the comments, because we're not always paying attention to our surroundings. I mean, we are, but
Right.
we're trying to be careful where we step and all that too.
Yeah.
So you guys are our ears and eyes out here, guys. All right. I heard talking.
You did too.
You did? Did you hear talking?
Not just then, but that's. Whoa.
No, I heard somebody
You
talking.
just heard.
You hear that?
I can hear like movement or something.
Like somebody moving.
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
So we may not be alone. Well, look at this. There's just a.
Oh, that's new, dude. That wasn't here before.
So somebody is. It's like they ran a cord so that they knew which way to get out.
Yeah.
Like.
That right there's brand new. Right there. Hello? Hello? You think they would have took that back with them?
I would think if they came out,
Right?
you would take your rope with you, right?
This is brand new.
Yeah. It looks like somebody just bought it at the store. So where it goes, who knows? It goes straight down into the black down there.
Hey!
See if I can. I mean, it keeps going until it's out of sight.
Yep.
That's a long piece of rope. So if somebody's down there, they're down a long way, dude. There's no way. But yeah, I mean, brand new.
I mean, I would have took my rope back with me.
Yeah.
And there's no other cars out there with us.
No. No one else can be here unless they walked all the way here.
It's a long walk.
Yeah. What is that? Is that bats? Or is that... It's hissing. Something's hissing at us.
You heard it, right? Dude, there's so many places somebody could be hiding in here if they're in here with us. I mean, right there, back there, down there.
Yeah.
And they all split up.
Wow. Yeah, man. I don't know. Yeah, it sounded so close, too. I didn't even notice there's a people right there.
Because even though we're going deeper, somebody can still be hiding in one of these.
Yeah. Scary thought.
The rope ends right there.
We're going to find anything. It'll be right here because, yeah, it comes through a dead end right here. Is there something tied to it?
Yeah, where you wrap it up on?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, who?
Is that a bat?
No, I don't know.
What was that noise again? It was like... psst. It might be, whatever it is.
Maybe it is a bat, but it almost sounded like it was directly behind us.
Yeah, it sounded too close.
It could be down there. There's somebody there.
Hello? Is anybody in there? You don't mean any harm. Can't see anything. There's like a single can right there in the middle of like beer or something.
Yo, we're just exploring the mine. If you want us to leave, just knock some rocks together and we'll walk away. We're not here to hurt anybody. We just want to explore. If you're here, you want us gone, just knock a couple rocks together and we're out. There's definitely something in here with us. We keep hearing footsteps. They're coming from up there, right where we came from. But we didn't see anything. It sounds like somebody's trying to sneak up on us. You think maybe we should leave?
We can keep going for a little bit, see what happens, I guess. I mean, if it keeps going though, yeah, probably should. We can keep going for a little bit, see what happens, I guess. I mean, if it keeps going though, yeah, probably should. We can keep going for a little bit, see what happens, I guess. I mean, if it keeps going though, yeah, probably should. It's definitely in here with us.
I'm starting to get a little nervous. So we're like really deep underground. And you just can't help but think that if something happens down here, they'll never find us. Be way too deep for anybody to dig in. This is as deep as I've ever been, I think.
So weird.
Check it out, guys. Last time we were here, there's the underwear again. Whoa. Do you hear that whispering?
I heard something when you did that.
As soon as I kicked it, right?
Yeah.
I know I'm not the only one hearing this.
Yeah, there's something.
We're too deep, man. We're at the very end. Nobody's here with us.
Unless it's up here.
Where my flashlight?
I don't know how to get up there. I don't know how far back this goes. Like, look how deep it looks. Or if it connects maybe to the upper part of the mine.
I don't know.
Can't tell.
I don't know. There'd be a way out over there.
Yeah. That'd be a really rough climb without gear. It might be doable, but I don't know. I'd be afraid to get stuck up there.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you have any questions or suggestions of what you want to see me do next, please make sure to leave it in the comments below. Remember to hit that subscribe and notifications bell, and I will see you on the next adventure. Stay strange.